Look at that tiny truck up there.
Hoover Dam.
So out in Hoover Dam, look at the site of this thing, like how big, enormous it is, how massive. That's deep.
No.
All right, I gotta get some shade. It's getting too high. 102 right now. Let's see if I can listen to this guy tell a story.
The mighty Colorado.
Get some history, I guess.
As you look over the wall, this placid body of water doesn't appear to be dangerous. By building the dam here in Black Canyon, we backed up the Colorado River, creating this 110-mile-long man-made lake. With a shoreline of 550 miles at full capacity, this was once the largest reservoir in the world. Designed and built under the direction of Dr. Elwood Mead, who was commissioner of the Bureau of Reclamation at that time,